हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू चार्ट ऑफ द डे। माई सेल्फ राय मासूम रजा फ्रॉम ट्रेडर स्मिथ इंडिया। सो आज के चार्ट ऑफ द डे के लिए आप सेलेक्टेड टू स्टॉक। वन इज अवंती फीड्स एंड द सेकंड वन इज एपेक्स फ्रोजन फूड. So let's see how these two stocks appears on the chart. So this is the daily chart of Avanti Feeds, and as we can look at the chart that the stock has trading, stock has having support near its 200 DMA yesterday after its sideways move from the past 2 weeks. और आज के ट्रेडिंग सेशन में स्टॉक हैज रिक्लेम्ड इट्स 100 डीएमए। ये जो हरा वाला लाइन है विथ अबव एवरेज वॉल्यूम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं। और जहाँ तक बात करें इसके बायर डिमांड की, तो इसके बायर डिमांड इज बी माइनस विच इज गुड एंड द एपीएस स्ट्रेंथ इज 69। स्टॉक ने आज ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेकआउट भी दिया है एंड स्टॉक हैज गेन्ड अराउंड 14% इन द इंट्राडे, विच इज अगेन ए positive move, and it has also witnessed a buying interest as well. If you look at its number of funds increment, there is slight increment in the number of funds, which is around 0.68%. The next stock is Apex Frozen Foods. So after few days of consolidation, यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं from 25th July onwards, the stock has witnessed profit booking at the higher level, and from the past 4 to 5 months, the stock was in the uh, sideways, or we can say correction phase. So आज के trading from the past 3 to 4 days, it was having support near its 200 DMA. और आज के ट्रेडिंग सेशन में it has gained around, it has also reclaimed its 100 DMA with above average volume. So if you will talk about its bias strength, bias strength is B plus. And if you look about its number of funds holding, that has decreased, or we can say it was flat, but the shares held by fund has increased significantly, which is 83.07%. So overall sentiment of this particular stock has actually witnessed profit booking, and it is also showing some positive move. Overall price structure has improved as well, even in the Avanti feeds as well. So in these two stocks, we can expect that it might move towards upside, and for that we need to monitor it very carefully. So आज के चार्ट ऑफ द डे के लिए इतना ही। मिलते हैं हम लोग नेक्स्ट डे विथ अनदर स्टॉक्स एंड अनदर चार्ट. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग द वीडियो.